Welcome back, students. Today I'm continuing with the explanation of chapter number 3, Movement Towards a New World. Now, I'm here in fourth point of the series of events led to World War II. The fourth point is Global Depression 1929 to 32. Now, during 1929 to 32, that is these much years, there was a global depression in all over the places of world. Global depression tha. Now what is global depression? Now most of the European countries believe that after the end of First World War, the post-war problems of the world will come to an end. मतलब वर्ल्ड वॉर वन के बाद, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर ख़त्म होने के बाद जो पोस्ट वॉर प्रॉब्लम्स है कंट्री के या फिर नेशंस के, वो भी एंड हो जाएगा. बट दिस प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग. बट ये जो था ये सही साबित नहीं हुआ. दिस प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग. Suddenly what happened? A large number of shares began to be sold in the Wall Street stock market, causing the stock market to crumble. This was called as the Wall Street crisis by the critics 24th October 1929. This crisis shook the whole world and shattered the economic conditions of the nations, giving birth to the Great Global Depression. Most of the nations of the world were affected by this. Even a superpower like Great Britain had to sacrifice its policies of keeping gold reserve against the currency pound. This affected the other nations of the world and international trade and industry. Prosperous nations like America had to impose strict measures. Global trade was reduced to half. Thus, World War II started getting its outline. Now, what is Great Global Depression? Now, during the year 1929, the European nations had a belief कि World War I के बाद even the post-war problems they are facing, the nations are facing will come to an end. But this proved wrong. ये गलत साबित हुआ, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. और अचानक से सडनली बहुत सारे शेयर्स वॉल स्ट्रीट स्टॉक मार्केट में बिकने लगे. ओके, लार्ज नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स बिगन टू सोल्ड इन वॉल स्ट्रीट स्टॉक मार्केट. और ये स्टॉक मार्केट को इसने क्रम्बल कर दिया, इसने पूरा क्रम्बल कर दिया. एक साथ इतने सारे शेयर्स बेचने में इकोनॉमिकली दे विल बी हैविंग anyhow they will be facing problems, so it crumbled stock market. Now this was called वॉल स्ट्रीट क्राइसिस. ये क्रिटिक्स ने 24 अक्टूबर 1929 को डिक्लेयर किया कि दिस इज़ वॉल स्ट्रीट क्राइसिस. और ये क्राइसिस ने पूरे वर्ल्ड को शूक कर दिया. पूरा वर्ल्ड, फुल वर्ल्ड वॉज इफेक्टेड